Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Ubisoft Connect account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and go to the search bar, then search for Ubisoft and press Enter. From the results, click on ubisoft.com to open the official Ubisoft website. Once the page loads, accept the cookies if prompted. After that, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the profile icon. A menu will pop up, and from there, click on Create an Account. Next, you will be asked to enter your birth date, so select your correct date and click Continue. After that, enter your email address, then confirm your email address. Then create a password, and then choose a username for your account. Make sure to accept the Ubisoft Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. If you want, you can check this box, or you can uncheck it if you prefer. Once everything is filled out, click Create Account. Ubisoft will then send a verification code to your email address. Open your email, copy the verification code, paste it into the required field, and click Create Account again. After completing this step, your Ubisoft Connect account will be successfully created. If you click the profile icon in the top right corner again, you'll see that you are now logged in. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a Ubisoft Connect account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.